Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's quick tutorial is on how to add custom fonts to WordPress using Elementor. If you want your site to stand out with unique branding, this is the fastest way to do it. The steps are simple and integrate perfectly with the Elementor editor. First, head over to your WordPress dashboard, go to Elementor and click on Custom Fonts. Once you're there, click Add New. Give your font a name and start uploading your font files. Elementor supports multiple formats like WAF, WAF2, TTF, SVG, and EOT. I highly recommend uploading as many versions as you have. This ensures your font displays correctly across all different web browsers. Once you've hit publish, your custom fonts are ready to use. Just open any page with the Elementor editor, grab a heading or text widget, and go to the Style tab. Under Typography, you'll now see your new custom font listed at the very top. Just select it and you are good to go. That is literally it. If this quick guide helped you level up your site's design, please hit that like button and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point tech tutorials. Drop a comment below if you want to see how to match these fonts in your YouTube thumbnails or Canva designs next, and I will see you in the next video.